Are you sitting comfortably? Great. In that case, please fold your arms in the way that feels most natural to you. Done it? Excellent. Now fold your arms the other way, with the opposite hand on top. How are you getting on? For most people, it feels unnatural and they have to pause and think about it. Imagine you've just joined an organization where everyone folds their arms in a different way to you. In order to really connect with others, get your opinions heard and do your job, you need to think twice and work harder than you normally do. This is what it feels like when you're part of a minority or you're not in the dominant group.